program.
Thank you.
Or programming. To me, it's a very simple issue. I mean, and a couple of your last callers focused on industrial complex, which is really the main focus of it. I mean, military just means they're arms dealers, and their focus is profit. There was a call several callers ago who talked about the troops in Iraq not being armed properly, not having their vests. The money's been there. They could have supplied the equipment anytime they wanted. If you look at the money that's gone to private corporations, that's what this is all about. They gain. I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I'm so nervous.
It's a killer when you have to call from the distance, and I'm sorry that it is so nerve-wracking.
Right, but I mean, follow the money. There's $9 billion missing in private contracts that's been doled out. Look at Halliburton and how much money they've made on this. These companies care about profit. They don't care about the American people. They don't care about the people in Iraq. The United States is now one of the largest arms dealers in the world. That's what it's about. That's where they're gaining their power.
Thank you very much, everyone, for participating in this.